Introduce features you looking for and fast overview about 1-0L0L golf cart turn signal kit with horn brake hazard light switch. Let's take a look at what people who have bought or used to mention how it is. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Upgrade kit. Make your golf cart has turn signal, horn, hazard flashing, brake lights functions, fits golf cart light kit with 9-pin plug wiring harness. Kit includes turn signal lever with headlight/horn switch and 9-pin wiring harness, hazard flashing switch, controller box, steering column cover, brake pad, horn, clamps and screw set, wiring diagram instruction. 12-volt operation. Voltage reducer is required on 36 volt/48 volt. The black button on horn's backside is for volume control. Could adjust it when power connected. The kit must be used with a universal wiring harness, not the original harness, and a 9-pin plug. If you unsure if it is a universal harness, please compare the wiring harness and its definition with your harness on the left wiring diagram. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.